Alright, so the standard that I'm focusing on today is for second grade, and it is under the objective number 2, and it's C. Represent the unit fractions half, 1/2, 1/3, and 1/4 with objects, pictures, and words and symbols. Okay, so in the digital virtual manipulatives library, I clicked on the number and operations section for pre-K through 2. And I'm going to use this game right here. It's fractions parts of a whole. So I'll click on that. And then what this activity does is you can click on a piece of the circle or whatever the shape is, and it'll highlight that part, and it's telling you that this is 1 out of 2, and it shows you how it's written to 1/2. You can click on another one and it'll say that's 2 out of 2. And then you come down here and click on new whole. So here it's telling you that that's 1 out of 5, 2 out of 5. This one is obviously going to be 1 out of 1. This one's out of 5 pieces again, so you can highlight as many and see how that how the symbol or how the shape and the coloring of the shape represents to the number. Here's one that they need to know is 1 out of 3, so they can see that there's 3 pieces in the whole here, and one of those pieces is highlighted. I think the way that I would use this is to start by using this as just a class example, and not just sending the students out to do it on their own. But we could come to these geometric figures and just talk about how 1/2 or 1 out of 2 of the pieces are shaded in. And so we'd kind of use it for class discussion, and then I'd let them get into small groups and talk about how the geometric figures relate to the number, and they could practice how to say this is 1 out of 4, because that's part of the standard too. And they can also see that when you color in 2 out of 4 pieces, that's the same as 1/2, and so they're making relationships between different fractions, which will be helpful for them. So first in this activity I would use it as a demonstration, as a class activity, and then I'd let them kind of explore on their own in small groups. But we wouldn't spend a lot of time using this, but just as an introduction so that they can visually see and kind of play around on the computer.